Master the art of moving your digital assets by learning how to send crypto from your Kraken account to anywhere you desire. First, log into your Kraken account once you're in. Navigate to the Funding or Assets section. This is where you'll manage all your digital currencies. Locate the cryptocurrency you wish to send in this example. We'll use Bitcoin. Click on the specific coin to access its options. You'll then see options to deposit or withdraw. To send crypto, you'll need to select the Withdraw option. This initiates the process of sending your funds out of your Kraken wallet. Now, you'll need to fill out the withdrawal form. This is a critical step, so pay close attention first. Enter the exact amount of cryptocurrency you want to send. Next, and most importantly, you'll need the recipient's wallet address. This address is like an account number for their digital currency. You can find this address on the receiving wallet or exchange by selecting the deposit option for the same cryptocurrency. Double-check this address meticulously. Sending crypto to the wrong address can result in irreversible loss of funds. It's often recommended to copy and paste the address directly to avoid any typing errors. After confirming the address, select the correct network for the withdrawal. This is crucial. For example, if you're sending Bitcoin, you'll likely select the Bitcoin network, often represented as BTC or SegWit. Once all details are confirmed, click Continue or Withdraw. Kraken will then prompt you for your security verification, which might include two-factor authentication. After verification, your withdrawal request will be submitted. You can typically monitor its status in your Kraken transaction history. Blockchain confirmations can take some time depending on the network and current activity. And that's it. You've successfully sent your crypto from Kraken. Remember to always verify addresses and networks for secure and successful transactions.